Brooklyn had Too Short. Compton had Eazy-E. But put them both together, they never pulled more than me by the...
I'm gonna show you how to go viral. I'm Mario the Speaker. Here at the Speakers Creator Hub, we help you with your entire business level. If you want more sales, more profits, more leads, more is to create amazing content that people actually want to watch. That means having a great hook, having great editing, and that your content is valuable. Step no. 2 is to post consistently. You need to be posting at least once a week so that people know that when they subscribe to your channel, they're gonna get value from it. And then step 3 is to engage with your audience. Respond to the comments, respond to the DMs, and make sure that people feel like they're part of the community. And finally, step no. 4 is to promote your content as is. Get out. If you do all of those things, I promise you,
Up my boots, add 2 more inches, still eye to eye with you. Too late to walk away, too late to apologize. Say my bad all you want, but I see through the lies.
Is to engage with your audience. Respond to the comments, respond to the DMs. And make sure that people feel like they're part of the community.
I told what I know. Choose man's flesh. Oh, I gave them paradise, baby. Sometimes they paid with their mama's eyes. I'm the truth speaker, curse breaker, flea nasty's alive.
Now, did you watch the full 2 minutes and 22 seconds to get here and gain that knowledge? There's a lot of good stuff there, folks. Believe me. But here is the part where I took a messed up stream video and did a voiceover to it. Took a messed up video and added a voiceover to it for what? To give you more value. In that first 2 minutes and 22 seconds, I showed you how to open up a video with a great hook. Starting in 6 seconds, boom! Get the hook. By 20 seconds, it was done, and words started to be spoken. Those words were value, directing you to making a great video with a stream video that you had made that was terrible audio. I showed you how to advertise your merch from your store, offering the viewer one-of-a-kind merch, high-end product, something that they and only they will own. Hey, $200 is nothing for originality. Now, you see how I took this last 2 minutes and so many seconds and turned it into some great content, kids? Did you see how I did this? Now it's your turn to take some crappy content that you made and make it marvelous. Marvelous. You understand me? Now go out and show them what you got. Knock them out, kid. I'm Mario the Speaker. Love you. See you on the next one.